Planning to move to Spain? Before you pack your bags, it's important to understand the legal steps. If you're from a Schengen visa-exempt country, you can stay in Spain for up to 90 days within any 180-day period without a visa. If you plan to stay longer, the process will depend on your nationality. If you are from a country that requires a visa, you must apply before traveling, even for short stays. Spain offers several visa options such as the non-lucrative visa, work visa, or family reunification visa. Remember, buying property in Spain doesn't automatically grant you residency. You will also need a foreign identification number for essential tasks, such as buying a property, opening a bank account, or applying for residency. Temporary residency permits usually cover stays of more than 90 days and up to 5 years. And after 5 years of legal residence, you may qualify for permanent residency.